When it comes to home design, every detail matters. From the color of your walls to the style of your entryway, your choices reflect your personal taste and enhance your home's overall appeal. One of the most crucial elements of any home's design is its windows and doors. They not only provide security and energy efficiency but also contribute significantly to curb appeal. That's where Eagle Windows and Doors comes in, offering high-quality, customizable options to ensure a perfect fit for your unique space. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing one, Eagle Windows and Doors provides a wide array of customization choices that help homeowners achieve both style and functionality. Let's explore the many ways you can personalize your windows and doors for a perfect fit. Custom window and door styles to match any aesthetic. No two homes are the same, which is why Eagle Windows and Doors offers a diverse range of styles to match any architectural preference. Whether your home is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, you can find a perfect design to complement its look. Window styles. Casement windows, hinged on the side and open outward for unobstructed views. Double-hung windows, classic design with two operable sashes for ventilation. Awning windows, hinged at the top to allow airflow while keeping rain out. Picture windows, large, fixed windows that maximize natural light and views. Bay and bow windows, elegant, curved window designs that add space and character. Door styles. Entry doors, a variety of wood, fiberglass, and steel doors in stunning designs. French doors, timeless, elegant doors that bring charm and openness to your home. Sliding glass doors, perfect for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Patio and folding doors, wide openings that create expansive, luxurious spaces. No matter your home's aesthetic, Eagle Windows and Doors ensures that your selections match both your style and functional needs. Extensive material choices for durability and beauty. Choosing the right material for your windows and doors is essential for longevity, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. Eagle Windows and Doors offers a variety of high-quality materials to suit your needs. Wood, a classic and warm look that enhances traditional and rustic home designs. Fiberglass, extremely durable, weather-resistant, and low maintenance. Vinyl, affordable, energy-efficient, and resistant to wear and tear. Aluminum-clad wood, the beauty of wood inside with the durability of aluminum outside. Each material offers different benefits, allowing you to find the right balance between durability, aesthetics, and maintenance. Custom sizing for a perfect fit. One of the standout features of Eagle Windows and Doors is their ability to create custom-sized products. Many homeowners struggle with standard-sized windows and doors that don't fit their home's unique architecture. Custom sizing ensures that every installation is seamless and precise, eliminating gaps, leaks, or awkward adjustments. With custom sizing, you can also enhance your home's character by choosing non-traditional window shapes such as arched windows for a grand and elegant appearance. Round and oval windows for unique architectural flair. Extra large glass panels for breathtaking, panoramic views. A wide array of color and finish options. Your windows and doors should reflect your home's style, and Eagle Windows and Doors provides numerous color and finish options to help you achieve the perfect look. Painted finishes. Choose from a vast selection of colors, from neutral tones to bold, modern shades. Wood stains. Enhance the natural beauty of wood with rich stains that match your interior and exterior decor. Custom finishes. If you need a specific color or texture, Eagle Windows and Doors offers custom matching services. With these choices, you can ensure that your windows and doors seamlessly blend with the rest of your home's design. Energy-efficient glass and insulation options. Windows and doors do more than just provide light and ventilation. They also play a significant role in your home's energy efficiency. Eagle Windows and Doors offers advanced glass technology to help reduce heat transfer, lower energy bills, and improve indoor comfort. Energy-saving features. Double and triple pane glass increases insulation and reduces heat loss. Low E coatings reflects heat while allowing natural light in. Argon and krypton gas fills enhances insulation between glass panes. UV protection prevents furniture, flooring, and curtains from fading. By choosing energy-efficient customization options, you'll not only improve your home's comfort but also save money in the long run. Hardware and accessories for a personalized touch. The smallest details can make a big difference in the overall look of your windows and doors. Eagle Windows and Doors offers a variety of hardware and accessories to add personality and function to your selections. Handles and knobs. Available in brushed nickel, bronze, brass, matte black, and more. Grills and muntins. Choose from colonial, prairie, or contemporary styles to add a decorative touch. Integrated blinds and shades. Built into the glass for a sleek, low-maintenance solution. These customization options allow you to tailor your windows and doors to your specific taste while enhancing convenience and style. Why choose Eagle Windows and Doors for your customization needs? Eagle Windows and Doors is committed to providing homeowners with top-quality products that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Here's why customers love their custom options. Premium quality materials, built to last with durable, high-performance materials. Endless design possibilities, a wide range of colors, styles, and finishes. Custom sizing for a perfect fit, no more struggling with ill-fitting windows and doors. Energy efficiency for cost savings, advanced technology for better insulation. Exceptional craftsmanship, beautiful, handcrafted details for a luxurious touch. Transform your home with custom Eagle Windows and Doors. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new one, Eagle Windows and Doors offers the ultimate customization options to fit your exact needs. With countless styles, materials, finishes, and energy-efficient features, you can create windows and doors that not only enhance your home's beauty but also provide long-term durability and comfort. Ready to find the perfect fit? Contact Eagle Windows and Doors today to explore your customization options and take your home's design to the next level.